How to turn off location sharing on Life360. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can turn off location sharing on Life360, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to turn off location sharing on Life360, all you have to do is simply first of all go ahead and then make sure to launch the Life360 application. And let's say you don't want other people to view your location and then you want to pause that. It's very simple to do so. For that, what you want to do is just tap the gear icon from the top left corner of the screen. And then here you'll find this option known as location sharing, where you just want to make sure to tap on it once. Once you tap on location sharing, currently you can say it's turned on. So all you have to do is just turn off this toggle like this, and location sharing will be turned off. If you've turned off location sharing, other people in the circle will be able to see you've turned off. Just like how this person has turned off the location, you can see I can see it says location sharing off. It means that if you do the same, other people will also be able to see the same. This way you can turn off location sharing on Life360. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.